Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm very happy that you're here today with me. Today we're going to be doing a giveaway video. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a video talking about cleaning out my yarn room. It's called Cleaning Out My Yarn Room Giveaway number 4. And you guys, some of you guys, if you've been following me, know that I've been trying to organize my yarn room, really thinking about the yarns I have in my stash. Have my project list, has it changed? Do I really need these yarns? Is it something I'm going to be using in the next year? And if it isn't, I decided to go ahead and find a new home for it. And you guys are helping me out with that. So today, I believe I have 6 different offerings that I'm going to be giving away. You guys put comments down under that video. We're going to use the YouTube random comment picker and pick some winners. So I'm ready to do this. I hope you guys are ready to do this. So let's get started.
All right, it's time to pick the winners of all these different yarn offerings. The first one we'll pick is the Diana Dye Cobweb Lace Yarn in Graphite. This is the video where I did announce the giveaway. We're going to use YouTube Random Comment Picker to put the URL in there. Double check. All right. The word that we are going to be using for this is graphite. Oops. Okay. We'll grab all the YouTube comments. 249 comments. All right. Well, good luck to everybody. Let's pick the winner. 8 Smiley Lady. It says, these are all gorgeous, Gina. The graphite would make a beautiful pineapple doily or table runner. I also like latte, powder, octopus, sugar, and pima. Thank you for the chance. You have excellent taste. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that nice comment. There I am. All right. Congratulations, 8 Smiley Lady, for winning the Diana Dye graphite yarn. So happy for you. The next person, or the next yarn, excuse me, to give away is the Garn and Wool Tiki sock yarn in the Cafe Latte. It's one skein. The word we were going to use for that is latte, Latte. We'll grab all the YouTube comments, see how many people were interested in this yarn. 297. All right. Good luck to everybody. Let's pick a winner. Sand Pal. It says, thank you, Gina, for cleaning out your yarn room. These yarns are so nice. Graphite, latte, powder, octopus, sugar, and pima. Well, thank you, Sand. I appreciate that. Lovely comment. There I am. So Sand is the winner of the latte fingering weight sock yarn. The next yarn we're going to be giving away is the Cascade Yarns Ultra Prima Cotton Yarn. It's 2 skeins of yarn, cotton yarn, and I believe it's DK weight in a buff color. The word that we're supposed to be using for this was Pima. Let's grab the YouTube comments. 351. Good luck to everybody. The winner is Hillary 2021. Oh, this looks good. It says, once upon a time in the coffee shop, Mr. Octopus, whose name is Mr. Pima, was pouring sugar powder into his latte coffee. And then he noticed a pretty octopus girl named Graphite was sitting next to his table. The end. Oh, I love that. That is great. Um, Thank you for that. I love reading comments that make me laugh like that. It's very creative. There I am. So congratulations, Hillary, for winning the Pima cotton yarn. So happy for you. All right, let's continue on. Well, next we'll do the Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. It's a striped yarn, 3 skeins in the colorway Sugar Plum stripes. Uh, the word that we're using for this is sugar. Let's grab the YouTube comments. 350, and let's pick a winner. Good luck. So Susie Q. Okay. Sugar, powder, latte, graphite, and octopus are very nice yarns. Thanks for doing this nice giveaway for us. Good luck, everyone. There I am. And that was a very nice comment. Thank you, Susie Q. And there I am. So congratulations on winning the Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. The next yarn that we're going to be giving away is the 5 skeins of Cloudborn Pima Cotton DK weight yarn. And it's in a powder blue, so the word for this offering was powder. Let's grab the YouTube comments. 369. Good luck. Maritza Korea. It says, love the powder, octopus, and sugar plum. Thanks for the amazing yarn giveaway. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for being here. And there I am. So, Maritza, congratulations. You win the powder cotton yarn. I'm so happy for you. And we have one more yarn offering. I'm still having a little bit of spillage from my monetization party of this turtle pearl yarn. The last one is this turtle pearl sock set in octopus. It's 2 skeins of yarn with a teal mini skein. The word for that is octopus. Let's grab the YouTube comments. 336. Okay, good luck to you all. Let's find the winner. Angie Donaldson. It says, thank you for another great giveaway. Wow, they are all beautiful yarns. It is a hard choice to pick from. I like them all. Powder, octopus, sugar, Pima, graphite, and latte. You do have some gorgeous yarns. Thank you for being so generous to share them with your yarny friends. I have enjoyed watching your videos, and I'm looking forward to your next video. Good luck to everyone. Again, thank you and stay safe. Wow, thank you, Angie. Love that. That's so sweet. I appreciate you saying that. And there I am. So, congratulations, Angie. You're the winner of the Turtle Pearl Striped Turtle Toes set. So, very happy for you.
Congratulations to all my winners. I'm so happy for each and every one of you. And for those of you who didn't win, trust me, there is going to be a time that you will win something on my channel because I love to have giveaways. So I like to do them in the middle of milestones. You know me, I'm usually having something going on all the time. So don't give up. Keep coming back. Keep putting your name in. And I have a feeling that everyone's going to have a chance to win at least once. So anyway, let me get back to the people who did win. If your name was picked, please email me your shipping information to my email address, which is knitbymoonbeams@gmail.com. Also, if you are outside of the United States, please include your phone number. I'll need to put that on the customs form. So get that information to me and I'll get this shipped out as quickly as I possibly can. And again, happy for each and every one of you. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming here, watching my videos, for being a part of my YouTube family. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all very, very soon. Take care.